At FIV, we believe that automating your operations and warehouse is the right answer to meet your expectations and business goals. Today, you're faced with the challenges of the market, increasing volumes, the changing geographical nature of e-commerce demand, the growing desire for same-day delivery, the remoteness of the current distribution centers, the cost of storage, retrieval, and picking, the cost of last-mile delivery, and real estate. That's why we've partnered with AutoStore, so you can achieve superiority in terms of density, throughput, and reliability over your competitors. AutoStore is a cube-based system, making use of all space for proper warehousing. Turn that wasteful air into storage and double, triple, or even quadruple the inventory capacity without moving to a new building. Bins are stacked right next to each other, on top of each other. Radio-controlled robots drive on tracks above the cube, lift down to grab bins, and deliver them to workstations for order fulfillment and replenishment. All operations get done efficiently and accurately at high-speed workstations. To get to a lower bin in a cube, the robot digs out the bin systematically. Every bin delivered to the workstations will be placed back on the top, making slow-running products to sink to the bottom and high runners to stay on top. With this natural sliding, digging becomes a minimum, resulting in high-speed operations. Your building can be of any shape. All we need is a flat floor. The cube can be constructed around columns, and oddly shaped rooms get properly utilized. AutoStore is a modular system, a flexible system you can trust. Energy consumption is unmatched by traditional material systems. Flick off lights and save that electric bill. Every system is thoroughly designed and simulated for performance and capacity before installation. AutoStore can connect to all warehouse management systems and will interact with other warehouse modules. Any robot can get any bin. Any bin can be delivered to any workstation. Your goods are still within an arm's reach. All of it. AutoStore, empowered by FIV.